Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to learn a little bit about ingrown hair. An ingrown hair occurs when the hair strand grows downward instead of upward and becomes trapped under the skin. Sometimes an ingrown hair can turn into a cyst, which can be a small painless lump or a large infected growth. Ingrown hairs are not usually dangerous, but they can be intensely painful. If an infection is left untreated, it may worsen or travel to the blood. While I show you some ingrown hair examples on screen, let me also tell you about a change to YouTube. They no longer show the majority of our content in your subscription feed. They're more focused on PG content and sponsored videos. If you want to see our videos in the future, it's imperative that subscribers click the notification bell. Otherwise, our videos will be hidden from you. We hope you learned a little about ingrown hair in this video. Please click subscribe, then click that notification bell if you want to see our videos in the future. Thanks for watching.
So everyone, this is Leanne, and Leanne has been taking Thernergy for how long?
3 months now.
All right, and how much weight have you gained or lost?
Well, I lost 15.
You lost 15
I haven't
pounds.
weighed myself since Thanksgiving, but it's Thanksgiving, so.
Okay, so what's the story with Thernergy? How does it make you feel?
Great. I have a lot more energy. I actually don't drink as much caffeine anymore. I used to drink 3 to 4 cups of coffee.
Okay.
I'm down to 2, which is huge for me if you know me.
This is a good improvement.
Yeah, I have a lot more energy, and
Are you feeling full from it or anything like that?
Well, I'm not hungry, so I guess
Okay.
full would be the word.
Okay.
I highly recommend it. I'd
Awesome.
give it a shot.
Let's see the bottle. All right, thanks, Leanne.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thernergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thernergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thernergy, you guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thernergy.
Thernergy.
To all the crew at Thernergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.